Today we'll be fixing a 2015 Chevy Cruze. The tools you need: impact drill, one Milwaukee 3/8 and 7mm with a reducer, a 15mm 1/2" socket, 15mm 3/8 socket, a short E14 start socket, and a short 1/2" extension, a 3/8 wrench to do the serpentine belt, the 7mm socket to remove the clamp holding this down, unclipping the sensor, putting it to a side. That's all to remove the air box. Okay, now the 15.5" socket to remove the motor mount, trimmings from the serpentine belt. As you can see, we already have removed those 3 bolts and 2 on the sides to remove it, and a nut to remove this motor mount bracket. Then down here we have the bracket mount right there. There's going to be 3 screws, 2 on the sides and 1 on the bottom. This is the 15mm 3/8 socket. Okay. As you can see, there's the 3 bolts that go to the bracket. And then with the E14 socket and the wrench, you go over here, down here to the tensioner, which is going to be that one right there. Just place the serpentine belt as so. Push it down and put the serpentine belt in. When doing this job, you also need to remember to put a jack under the car with a piece of wood on the oil pan, so the engine doesn't go down when removing the motor mount. Make sure that the serpentine belt is put in place on all the correct pulleys. Make sure, then you can release it.
Put everything back on.
And then we put everything back on the bracket to the motor mount with the 3 bolts. Goes in first. Screw them into place.
Just grab your recorder.
Once you got them all in by hand, so you don't cross thread them, you can tie them up. And now we're doing the 3rd screw.
Sure.
Now make sure to tighten them up real good with the wrench and the socket. fits in. All three of them have to be tight. Now for the motor mount, they're into place. And the nut. Make sure they're tight.
They got it already adjustment.
Now we're tightening in the clamp with that 7 socket.
Okay.
Don't forget to connect that sensor back in. And that's it.